Hello children. Children, in the last class we studied about verbs ing form, right? We studied that how the verbs can have different forms, and one of the commonest forms of verb is by adding ing to the verb. Okay, like play becomes playing by adding ing to the verb play. Okay, go becomes going by adding ing to the verb go. Okay, so this we have studied. Now today we will study that how these ing form of verbs cannot be used alone in the sentence. Okay, I mean that they have to take the help of other verbs. And what are these verbs? These verbs are called helping verbs because they are helping the other verbs, so they are known as helping verbs. And what are these helping verbs? Am, is, are, was, were. Okay, and we have studied about these verbs also, right, in the previous class. These verbs actually belongs to a special class of verbs, children, because they can be used alone on their own to tell how or what the person or thing is. As I told you before, like Ram is ill, is used individually as a verb, or my father is a doctor, is word is used on its own, or I am a teacher, am is a verb here. Okay, they are players. Here are is used to tell what are they are players. So these verbs am, is, are, was, were, they can be used on their own to tell how or what person or thing is, and it can also be used to help other verbs. What are the other verbs? The verbs that ends in ing. Okay, that we studied in the last class. Let's see a few examples, children. I am playing cricket. If I say I playing cricket, is it right? No, it is not right. We have to take the help of the helping verb am, because am is used with I, right? So I am playing cricket. So here see, am playing. They are waiting for the bus. If I say they waiting for the bus, this is wrong. Okay, they are waiting for the bus. Now this waiting has taken the help of the helping verb are here, because they means plural, so are plural helping verb. He studying when I came home? No, wrong. He was studying when I came home. Okay, so this studying is taking the help of the helping verb was here, because here we are talking about past, right? We were watching movie yesterday. Again we are talking about past, so we will take the helping verb were. Was, were are used in the past. I have told you this before, right? So here watching is taking the help of the helping verb were. Okay, so in all these sentences you see we use the helping verbs here am, are, was, were, or if we say she is singing a song. Okay, so here singing word is taking the help of the helping verb is. So am, are, was, were, is. These all are acting as the helping verbs here, because they are helping here the main verbs playing, waiting, studying, watching, singing. Okay, so we what we have learned today, that the verbs am, is, are, was, were can be used on their own also to tell how or what the person or thing is, and also these are used to help the main verbs. Okay, means the verbs that ends with ing cannot be used alone. And children, when we use this helping verb plus main verb, no, this whole verb is taken as one unit. Okay, suppose a question comes in your exam that I am playing cricket, pick out the verb. So most of the children, what do? They just pick out playing, which is wrong. Okay, no, you have to pick out am playing, because this is used as one unit. Okay, if you pick out only playing, it will be wrong, or if you pick out only am, that is also wrong. Am playing is the complete verb. Now here they are waiting for the bus, pick out the verb. Now if you pick out waiting, so waiting is, if you pick out only waiting, that will be wrong. Okay, you have to pick out are waiting. take this as complete unit 1. Okay, so I mean to say that when helping verb and main verbs both are used, you will pick out both the verbs, then only it will be taken as correct. Children, let's do the exercise part, page number 58. Exercise A. Underline the verbs ending in ing in the following sentences. One has been done for you. First one, we are going to the market to buy vegetables. Are going. Okay, so verb. Veer was staying with his uncle in Pune. Now was staying. Okay, not only staying but was staying, because this is the staying is the word that is showing action. So this is verb. Zara and Sana were playing near the pool. So underline were playing. I am waiting for the bus. Am waiting. Uday and Aisha are taking their pet dog to the vet. Underline are taking. Sonu and Neeti were walking down to the beach. Underline were walking. 7. We are writing a composition. Underline are writing. Meena is filling the jug with water. Underline is filling. Tony is playing chess with his sister. Underline is playing. Grandmother was telling us a story. Underline was telling. The baby is crying because it is hungry. Underline is crying. My aunt is taking a nap. Underline is taking. Okay. Now next B part. Pick out and write the verbs in the given blanks. One has been done for you. I am wearing a pair of black shoes. So am wearing is the verb. Nina put the kettle on the kitchen table. So verb is put. P-U-T, put. Tony sleeps in the afternoon. Sleeps. Okay, sleeps is the verb. They were enjoying themselves at the party. Were enjoying. Remember to pick both helping verb and main verb. Were enjoying. Fifth one. I am feeling very tired. Am feeling is the verb. Neeti baked a cake today. Baked. We are going to a party today. Are going is the verb. They were buying new clothes for Diwali. Were buying. Okay. This book belongs to Zan. Belongs. Belongs is the verb. I am reading a book. Am reading is the verb. Harry entered the classroom. Entered is the verb. Nikita is eating chocolate biscuits. Is eating is the verb. Okay. Next one, C1. Pick out and write the verbs in the blank spaces. Some sentences may have more than one verb. One has been done for you. Dina and Arjun packed their bags and went to school. Now here verbs are packed and went. Two verbs are there. Okay. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Here what is the verb? Sat. Okay. He lent me the book he was reading. Now here two verbs are there. One is lent. Lent means to give. Lent. And the other one is, third one, no? Was reading. Was reading. Okay. Fourth one. Geeta was sleeping when her father came home. Again two verbs. Was sleeping. Came. Was sleeping. And second one is came. Jack and Jill went up the hill and fetched a pail of water. Again two verbs. Went and fetched. Went, fetched. Sixth one. Cinderella was dancing with the prince when the clock struck 12. So, was dancing is one verb and struck. Struck is also an action. So struck is also the verb. Was dancing and struck. Was dancing and struck. Seventh one. They were bathing in the lake and were enjoying themselves. Again two verbs, both have helping verbs here. Were bathing and were enjoying. Were bathing and second one is were enjoying. Eighth one. Veer is running across the field. Is running. is running. 9th one. Please open the letter and read it to me. Again, 2 words, open, and second one is read. 10th one. The Little Mermaid sang a sad song. Here, verb is sang. Okay, so like this you will write. Vinith and Ritu are talking to their teacher. Verb is are talking. 12. Amit and Varun were playing football in the field and the ball fell into a pond. 2 verbs are there. Were playing and second one is fell. Okay, were playing and fell. Tony learned the song and sang it in the class the next day. So again 2 verbs, learned, L-E-A-R-N-E-D, learned, and second verb is sang, S-A-N-G, sang, learned and sang. Mihir is swimming swiftly across the lake. Verb is swimming, okay, is swimming. 15. Ayush is doing his homework. He is feeling sleepy. Again 2 verbs, is doing and is feeling. Okay, is doing, is feeling. So these are the verbs, and I hope you have understood the chapter, and go through the chapter once more and complete all the exercises that is given in this chapter. Thank you.